how to add photos in different shapes to Instagram story. So if you want to add photos in different shapes on your Instagram story, then first open up your Instagram application, and here tap on your story, which is on the upper left, which has that plus icon. Go for the camera, which is on the upper left, and then simply take a photo for the background, or you can also upload some photos for your background. And once you've taken your photo, or once you've taken your background, now you can go for the upper right, which has that stickers icon. Tap on that and then scroll down, and here you will have albums icon or add photo option. Tap on that and then you can add a photo. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. And if you want to add photos in different shapes, like for example, this is a photo, and if you want to add different shapes to this photo, then what you can do is simply tap on that photo and you will have the different shape. So you can do that same process for 2 or 3 photos. Go for the stickers and tap on the albums, and again choose a different shape. And that's it. Once you've chosen, you can simply adjust that wherever you like, and once it's done, you can tap on the next or the arrow icon, which is on the bottom right, and then you can tap on share. So that's how you can add photos in different shapes to Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.